Hello, my lovely light, to your daily yoga flow. Let us get empowered and stretch and find some focus in some more challenging practices. Definitely grab some blocks if you find balancing poses a little bit more challenging, and let us step into this day with an alive, alert, energizing mind, body, and spirit. Welcome, my lovely lights. Let's decide that this practice is going to be an energizing and strengthening practice. Join me at the top of the mat. Big breath welcomes in, big full body stretch, root to rise. Exhale, forward fold, heavy the head. Shaking the head a little, yes, for Uttasana, forward fold. Shaking the head a little bit, no. Taking a moment to just settle in, to let the hips sway side to side. You can grab the back of the thighs and just take a moment as we set the intention to be energized, to feel strong and empowered today. Welcome that breath in and send it away. Beautiful. Bringing the hands to the shins, creating this half of a flat back, a long line of energy from the top of the head. Exhale, hands reach down, stepping to the knees. Exhale, dip the navel down towards the earth. For cow pose, inhale, cat pose. Exhale, start awakening the shoulders, the spine, being mindful of any ouchies or bouchies in the spine. Beautiful. Awesome. Exhale, taking a moment to rock side to side, warming up through the wrists. You can carve half circles, creating more of an alive energy, deciding that you're going to bring your own energy today. That today, whenever you're feeling like a yucky bucky butt, that you're going to come back and create and carve your own energy. Now, can you make that more of a full body circle all the way up and around? Welcome the breath in through the nose and sending it away. Good. Center, opposite direction. Circle around, coming into the heels, feeling more active and alive in your energy body. Beautiful. Right hand reaches down, left toes point back, and the right hands will come like you are shaking. The left hand reaches below the shoulder, so the foot that's popped out, the hand is under the shoulder. Inhale, bird dog variation, lift it up. Exhale, tap it down. Inhale, raising it up. Exhale, tap it down. Rise it up. Good, tap it down. On this next one, exhale, long line of energy from the toes to the fingertips. Inhale, tucking the elbow in towards the knee, sending it long and strong. Inhale, really rounding through the spine. Send it away. Inhale, tuck, tuck, tuck. Good, exhale, send it away. Inhale, tucking it in. Exhale, sending it long, long, long. Inhale, creating this back bend with the body. You can exhale, reach back for the foot. You can also just reach back. This is a tiger's pose, a little bit stronger of a posture, really sending the earth away. Welcome the breath in. Send it away. Good, beautiful breath welcomes in. Good, sends it away. Welcome the breath into the body. Sends it away, exhaling the body, long and strong, tapping back, and then just wiggling out the hips side to side. Awesome. Exhale the opposite side. The foot taps back, hand reaches like you're shaking the hands. Inhale, bringing the body up, and then tapping down. Inhale, floating the body up. Good. Exhale, tap down. Inhale, floating the body up. Exhale, tapping down. Inhale, finding strength, pressing the fingertips long and strong away. Exhale, tapping down. Beautiful. This next one, exhale, long and strong. Inhale, tuck the elbow in towards the knee. Exhale, sending it long and strong. Inhale, hugging and hovering. Bird dog variation, sending it away. Inhale. Exhale, sending it long and strong. Two more. Good, send it away. Inhale, hugging here. Beautiful. This next one, exhale, creating a little back bend with the back. Hands reach up, the leg reaches up. You can bend through that hind leg and you can reach back, just stay here. Or if you can reach for the back of the toes for tiger pose, inhale, press the earth away, find strength. Good, send it away. Inhale, welcome the breath in. Good, send it away. Inhale, welcome the breath in. Good, send it away. Beautiful breath comes in. Good, exhaling the body forward and then taking a moment to wiggle your hips side to side here. Beautiful. Exhale, big wide open hands, pushing the body up and back for downward facing dog. Inhale the breath in. Exhale, send it away. Welcome that breath in. Good, send it away. One more big full breath comes in and sends it away. You can walk or hop the feet to the top of the mat. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale to raise half of a flat back, taking a moment to pause. Exhale, fold it forward. Inhale, root to rise, hands reach up towards the sky. Big, beautiful stretch here, coming in for a gentle back bend. Big, beautiful back bend. Good, exhale, bringing the body forward and sending the hips back. Tapping into the tailbone, pressing the tailbone down, coming for Uttanasana, chair pose. So creating your feet maybe open a little bit wider, or does it feel better to have them closer together? Chair pose, big welcoming breath in. Find focus. Sends it away. Focusing in on your day. Welcoming this breath in. Good. As you exhale, twisting the body towards me. And as you twist, you have the option to bring the hand across the top of the leg. And you can stay here, you can reach the hand up. Or you can hook the elbow on the outside of the leg. Push, push, push the hands together. Namaste Mudra pushes the body up and sends it away. Welcomes the breath in. Good, sends it away. Welcome that breath that feeds those beautiful cells towards your journey to awakening you. Maybe you're having little glimmers that feel like, wow, I'm noticing something in myself from the start to the end of each practice. Exhale, hands reach forward and then coming for the opposite knee. So you can bring the hand to the top of the legs. You can reach back. You can hook, pressing palms, kissing palms, creating openness in the front of the body. Welcome that breath in. Exhales it away. Welcome that breath in. Ooh, the wind gets you. Send it away. Exhale the breath in. Good. Coming back to center. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway raise, half flat back. Exhale, fold it forward, hands reach down, stepping back to a plank position, hugging through the body, knitting the ribs together. Exhale, coming forward and down. You can come in for a baby cobra or an upward facing dog, wherever you are in your practice. Welcome the breath in. Send it away, hugging through the inner thighs. Exhale, pressing up and back, downward facing dog. Awesome. Inhaling the beautiful breath in. Sends it away. Beautiful. Right heel reaches up and back and then steps the foot forward. Hand reaches down where the foot would be. On the opposite side, coming in for this reverse extended side angle. Welcoming the breath in. Send it away. You can always come down to the knee if this is not in your practice. Welcome the breath in. Good, send it away. Exhale, transition the body forward, and you can stay up here. You can come up, you can have a set of blocks, or you can come in for Skandasana. Woo, a little more advanced. If that heel is popping up, you could grab a block underneath. You can post up on the fingertips, or you can find your focus, your strength, and your balance as you welcome that breath in. Good, send it away. Woo! And if you're feeling like a little wiggly, it's okay, you're not alone. Welcome the breath in. Good, send it away. Beautiful breath comes in. Exhales it away. Beautiful. Using the body to push up and over and walking to the opposite edge of your mat as you step back for that plank position. Welcome the breath in. Exhale, chaturanga, body comes forward, coming forward and then releasing to upward facing dog, back bend of your choice, maybe a cobra. Good, send it away. Back to that lovely downward facing dog. Beautiful. Opposite heel reaches up. Good. Stepping the foot forward, coming in for that reverse extended side angle, welcoming the breath in, sending it away. Beautiful. Breath comes in. Good. Sends it away. Welcome it in. Transition, the body reaches down, transitioning into the front toe pad. If you can flatten out this foot, you can do so. The toes spiral up, coming in for that skandasana. So hands can reach down, creating a little bit of a platform with the heel, welcoming the breath in. You can find strength and focus wherever you are in your practice. Welcome that breath in. Send it away. Beautiful. Welcome that breath in. Sending it away. Beautiful. Testing your center of gravity. You can use your hands to push up, or maybe you can use your body to exhale, creating a big, wide open starfish with the body. Exhale with the toes facing the edges of the mat, coming in for a goddess. So sinking down into the sit bones. And this will be different for us all. Maybe it's up here. Maybe you can sink down. Maybe you can come down a little bit deeper. Finding your roots and smiling a moment because it's energizing today. Welcome it in. Good. Send it away. Doing your best to keep the body, the head, the heart, and the hips aligned. Welcome that beautiful healing breath in. Sends it away. Breath comes in. Good. Sends it away. Straightening the legs up. Big stretch. Up, up, up. Full body star stretch. Take up space because you matter. Exhale. Folding the body forward. Forward fold. You can ragdoll. Sway side to side. Grab opposite elbows. Allow the healing energy of the earth, of the stones and the sand and the water. Allow the trees to root you in your day. Coming down to the knees. Beautiful. As you come down to the knees, taking a lovely hero's pose. Exhale the arms long, bringing the left arm across the right. Grabbing a hold of that shoulder, getting a nice stretch here. Welcome that breath in. Sending it away. Beautiful stretch comes in and sends it away. Good. Exhaling, opening the arms, big eagle stretch. Opposite shoulder, reach across, getting this lovely stretch. Welcome that breath in. Sends it away. Beautiful. Big breath comes in. Inhale, both arms reach up, grabbing for the opposite elbow as you reach for the middle of the shoulder blades. Welcome that healing breath in. Sends it away. Welcome that healing breath in. Sending it away. Beautiful breath comes in. Sends it away. Exhale, big eagle stretch. Opposite hand reaches back, bending at the elbow. Reach for the opposite elbow. Big stretch. Welcomes the breath in. Exhales it down and away. Creating this lovely stretch in the shoulders. Welcome it in. Beautiful. Exhaling, hands to the tops of the legs. Welcoming a healing breath in. Sending it away. Stay. Welcome the breath in. Bringing the palms, kissing palms to the heart center, the The love and the light within me honors and acknowledges the love and the light within you. Namaste, my lovely lights. Thank you so much for practicing with me. Thank you for your time and energy. And I hope that you just feel alive and energized today. And I will see you back here practicing with you tomorrow.